came to this new waterfall near Kuang Si, but it's not Kuang Si, but I came Kuang Si 2022. This is a quite new waterfall, so I won't visit there. Let's go and see. This is it. The new waterfall. That's it. I think this is more peaceful than Kuang Si, but Kuang Si is very beautiful. But the same features is in Laos. Most of the waterfalls I went look like this. Quite amazing. Buddy, that's really cool, huh? Let's go that way. Let's go that way and explore and come back. What's up there? Pretty cool. Oh my god. Ha ha ha. Oh, but the water is not good here. That area can see good water. The water's there. Kuang Si Waterfall is easy to pronounce, but this waterfall quite difficult to pronounce, buddy. Well, it's I'll tell you the path. Come towards Kuang Si, and after just you pass the parking entrance, main parking entrance of Kuang Si, we can find the road to right side. Then it will lead 300 meters to right, then you reach here. Oh well, everybody, that's great. This is great. I think you can even have a great bath here too. Let's see. Absolutely yes. You can have a bath here if you want. Yeah, you pick up it. Oh, that goes that way too. Wow, buddy, this is very cool. Not much populated by people, so I think kind of a mini version of Kuang Si. You can find the same features. Well, why not having a bath? I should ask myself. We can't have a bath. Of course, yes. Oh my god, what a nice place to have a bath. Quite cool. Absolutely. I think I must bathe here. You know, see the beauty. I must bathe here because there are no people around. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, this is a better bathing place than Kuang Si. Wow, can go further down. There too. So many bathing places. You see? So many of them. I think this is the one I've seen from the side I'm coming near the road. Wow, buddy, you just imagine that you can bathe like hell. Why not bathing? Wow, that goes down there. Oh, the water is not good there. From there, water is like stuck. Maybe up there, you can bathe. Let's find a prime spot. Let's find a prime spot to have a bath. Okay. Maybe, you know, people, there's a place to jump to the water. Cool. Not Kuang Si, but near the Kuang Si. Why not bathing? Let's go inside. Holy moly. Get very baby. Oh, the water is very cold now. Oh my god. It's absolutely cold water. Very slippery. Slippery, Mama Fletcher. Oh, bully. Oh, very cold. Hey, buddy. It's very cold. Very cold. Because, you know why? You know that. No, I don't need to tell you. Oh wow. Yeah, that's the reason. This bubble. Let me see these guys. Look at these guys. I'll show them to you. It's a different species. Never discovered in any planetary area. The amazing creatures called fishes. Here, down step. Oh, there you go. Ready? They know who feeds them. Come for the closer. Okay. You know what? You know what? It's oh my god. Slippery. Absolutely slippery. Yes. That's it, buddy. This is a beautiful waterfall area. Not bad, eh? But to be honest, this is smaller than Kuang Si, but it seems a relaxing place. There's less people. This time I came here around 4:45 p.m. So not much people. This is Monday. It's a weekday. I think it's quite a good experience for me. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? I'll tell you, this is slippery, okay? This is ultra slippery. I need to be careful. Okay.